Join me as I take on the challenge of exploring New Jersey from the sky with my drones. Can I capture the most stunning views and hidden gems? New Jersey, the Garden State, is more than just its famous boardwalks and beaches. It's a state with a rich history, diverse landscapes, and breathtaking natural beauty. And today, I'm excited to take you on an aerial journey to explore the many wonders of New Jersey from a perspective unlike any other. Traditional sightseeing methods can be limiting, and that's exactly why I'm using drones to take my exploration to new heights, literally. With a drone, I can capture the grandeur of New Jersey's landscapes, navigate through tight spaces, and reveal hidden gems that would be impossible to reach on foot. From the air, the state's rugged coastline, rolling hills, and urban skylines take on a new dimension of beauty. I can see the intricate patterns of nature, the way the light dances across the landscape, and the vibrant colors that come alive at different times of day. But what really gets me excited is the possibility of discovering new and unexpected sights from above. Whether it's a hidden waterfall, a secret island, or a historic landmark. The thrill of exploration is what drives me to keep flying, to keep seeking out the unknown. Let's take a look at some of the incredible locations I've captured with my drones. From the picturesque beaches of Cape May to the lush forests of the High Point State Park, each location offers a unique perspective on New Jersey's natural beauty. The Jersey Shore is famous for its boardwalks, amusement parks, and vibrant nightlife, but from above, you can see the intricate network of waterways, marshes, and wildlife habitats that support the state's rich biodiversity. In the heart of the state, the Delaware River offers stunning views of the Pennsylvania Palisades, a national natural landmark. And in the north, the High Point State Park is home to the highest point in New Jersey, offering breathtaking 360-degree views of the surrounding landscape. Urban areas like Atlantic City and Newark take on a new level of sophistication from above, with their towering skyscrapers, bustling streets, and vibrant cultural attractions. And let's not forget the iconic landmarks like the Statue of Liberty and the George Washington Bridge, which take on a new level of majesty from the air. Now, I know what you're thinking. What's the most breathtaking drone shot I've captured so far? Well, I've saved the best for last. Get ready to be awestruck by this stunning aerial view of the Atlantic City Boardwalk, taken at sunrise on a crisp summer morning. Thanks for joining me on this adventure. Don't forget to leave a comment below with your favorite spot in New Jersey. And be sure to check out my other videos for more aerial explorations.